Hey everyone, it's Babery Angela here. Today we're talking about every traveler's worst nightmare, getting denied boarding at the airport. Imagine this. You've booked your dream vacation, you're at the airport, bags checked, ticket in hand, and then you're told you can't get on the plane. We'll uncover the common pitfalls that can ruin your travel plans and give you actionable tips on how to avoid them. This one seems like a no-brainer, but many people show up at the airport without proper documentation. Your passport is your ticket to travel internationally. Make sure it's current and valid. Visas are another big one. Check visa requirements for your destination well in advance and apply early. Make copies of all your important documents and store them securely online. That way, if you lose your physical copies, you'll have digital backups. The world has changed, and so have travel requirements. Make sure your vaccinations are up to date. Some countries require proof of vaccination for diseases like yellow fever. Health declarations are becoming increasingly common. Failing to complete them accurately can lead to delays or denied boarding. Don't forget about travel insurance. Look for a policy that covers medical expenses, emergency evacuation, and trip cancellation due to illness. Stay informed about evolving health regulations to avoid surprises. We've all seen the news stories, overbooked flights leading to chaos. Airlines often oversell their flights, anticipating some passengers won't show up. Book early and choose flights with a low risk of overbooking. Non-stop flights and off-peak hours are safer bets. Check in online as soon as possible to secure your spot. Be prepared to accept incentives if you're willing to give up your seat. Airlines have strict baggage rules, and exceeding those limits can cost you. Check your airline's baggage allowance before packing. Pay attention to weight and size restrictions. Invest in a luggage scale to weigh your bags at home. If you're over the limit, be prepared to rearrange your belongings or pay hefty fees. Avoid surprises at the check-in counter by being proactive. Air travel can be stressful, but it's no excuse for bad behavior. Airlines have a zero-tolerance policy for unruly passengers because your actions can impact everyone's safety. Being intoxicated, refusing to comply with crew instructions, or aggressive behavior can have serious consequences. You could face fines, travel bans, and even legal action. Be respectful, follow the crew's instructions, and keep your cool. Time management is crucial when it comes to air travel. Arriving late for check-in or boarding can mean a missed flight. Airlines have strict check-in deadlines for a reason. They need time to process passengers and baggage. Plan ahead and allow ample time for traffic, parking, check-in, and security. Factor in extra time during peak travel seasons, or if you're traveling with young children or elderly passengers. Airport security is designed to keep everyone safe, but it can lead to boarding denials if you're not careful. Being flagged for security reasons can happen for various reasons, from having a name similar to someone on a watch list to raising red flags during screening. Familiarize yourself with the TSA's prohibited items list and pack your carry-on bag strategically. Arrive at the security checkpoint with plenty of time to spare. Imagine being at the check-in counter, only to be told your ticket payment hasn't gone through. Unpaid tickets, declined credit cards, or disputes over payments can lead to boarding disabilities or requiring special assistance. Inform the airline in advance. Airlines need time to arrange for wheelchairs, assistance animals, or other special services. When booking your flight, inform the airline of your specific requirements. Being proactive ensures a smoother and more enjoyable travel experience for everyone. Traveling with children? Make sure you have all the necessary documentation. Consent letters, birth certificates, and court orders may be required, depending on the child's age and destination. These documents prove the child has permission to travel and protect against international child abduction. Research the specific requirements for your destination and carry both originals and copies with you. A mismatch between the name on your ticket and your ID can lead to major headaches. Double-check your ticket and make sure your name matches your government-issued ID exactly. If you notice an error, contact the airline or travel agent immediately to correct it. Don't wait until you get to the airport. Resolving these issues can take time. Programs offer perks, but they come with rules. Violating those rules can result in denied boarding, revoked miles, and account suspension. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of your frequent flyer program. Read the fine print, stay informed about program updates, and contact the airline if you have questions. Connecting flights can be tricky, especially with multiple airlines or separate tickets. Ensure your transfers are approved and allow enough time to make your connection. Opt for a single itinerary whenever possible to protect yourself in case of delays. If you must book separate tickets, allow ample time for connections and be prepared to recheck your bags. Technology has revolutionized travel, but it's not without glitches. System errors can lead to ticketing issues, incorrect flight information, and boarding denials. Double-check your booking confirmation and monitor your flight status for changes. Keep your phone charged and handy for notifications. And there you have it, 14 shocking reasons why travelers are being denied boarding in 2024. By following these tips and staying informed, you can ensure a smoother, stress-free journey. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and updates. Safe travels!